Yo, 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 yo! What's up, peeps? Let's get into some cryptocurrency news. For starters, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just to help with research. All right, everyone, let's get this crypto money. Let's make these gains. All right. So today is November 22nd, 2021. And today, the coin that we will talk about is a coin called Applica Finance. Right. So this article from Cointelegraph, I will put a link to it in the description. I'm not going to read the entire thing, just some parts of it that I like. All right. So let's get into it. All right. So Alpaca Finance raised 3.6 million in public sale of first half of Alpies NFT collection. All right. So Alpaca Finance, a long-standing top 30 decentralized finance DeFi protocol, has raised 3.6 million from the sale of the first half of its Alpies non-fungible token NFT avatar collection. This development is a huge milestone and places Alpaca as a leader in the quickly rising NFT sector. All right. Alpies is a cross-chain NFT collection on Ethereum and BSC consisting of a total supply of 10,000 NFT avatars to serve as a playable heroes in Alpaca Finance's upcoming play-to-earn gaming platform and metaverse. The collection consists of two sets of 5,000 LPs sold in two parts, first on the Binance Smart Chain, BSC, then Ethereum, and bridgeable between both blockchains. All right, let's continue. So, now another part that I enjoyed about this article is what exactly is Alpaca Finance, right? So Alpaca Finance is one of the top DeFi protocols with over $1 billion in total value locked TVL and its lending platform, and is amongst the top three DeFi protocols on BSC according to DeFi Station. Specializing in capital efficiency, Applica provides an environment for lenders to earn safe and stable yields and offers borrowers under collateralized loans for leverage yield farming positions, vastly multiplying their unstable capital and resulting profits. All right. So I'll put a link to the article and you guys can read the entire thing. All right. Let's continue. Now, I'm sure you guys are wondering what in the world is yield farming. All right. So if you Google the definition of yield farming, you're gonna find this. So basically, what is yield farming? When you deposit money in a bank, you're effectively making a loan for which you get interest in return. Yield farming, also known as yield or liquidity harvesting, involves lending cryptocurrency. So basically, instead of lending your money to the bank, you're just lending your cryptocurrency. All right. So that is what yield farming is. All right. Let's continue. So now this is another article actually on Medium. Basically, this article was basically just introducing Alpaca Finance. I'll put a link to it. Not gonna go through the whole thing. It just gave more details about what exactly Alpaca Finance is. So basically, Alpaca Finance is the first lending protocol allowing leverage yield farming on Binance Smart Chain. It helps lenders to earn safe and stable yields and offers borrowers uncollateralized loans for leverage yield farming positions, vastly multiplying their farming principles and resulting profits. Furthermore, alpacas are virtuous breed. That's it. That's why we are a fair launch project with no pre-sale, no investor, and no pre-mine. Right. So this actually was an article that was written on the Medium back on February 26th. This is basically back when Applica Finance was practically first launched publicly. All right. So I'll put a link to it, and you guys can actually read more details about what exactly Alpaca Finance is. All right. So let's continue. Now, when you go to CoinMarketCap, all right. So today, Alpaca Finance is currently ranked at number 455. It's on 27,023 people's watch list. Current price is at 77 cents. And guys, it's been down 4.8% in the past 24 hours. But keep in mind, crypto as a whole has been taking a beating this week. Everything has been going down. All right. So, no surprise that this coin also went down. All right. So, it's audit certified, as you can see, by Certic and Slomis. The market cap is at 109 million. Volume is currently at 18 million. Uh, Circulating supply is 141 million. All right. So now, as you can see, guys, since being launched, most likely, guys, whenever coins get launched, it's very common that you see price drop. So price dropped a lot. All right. So price drop when we had the first bull run beginning of the year. Price went all the way up. It reached around, let's say, around $4. Then since then it has gone down. It has been moving sideways, right? So let's continue. Now, when we look at the all-time high was actually on March 6th, 2021. But that was when the project was first launched, and that was at $8.60. All right. So we're not gonna go with that all-time high. Let's just look at the all-time high from back in the peak of the first bull run, which was basically at $4 back on May 3rd, 2021. Right. So now let's continue. Now the exchanges that this project is on, it's on Binance. Guys, Binance is the top two exchange. So it's Binance and Coinbase. So that alone made this project stand out a lot for me. All right. So it's on Binance and it's also on KuCoin. We got Gate.io, Polynex, PancakeSwap, L Bank. Let's see. We got Baby Swap. All these other exchanges, Bitmart. So all these exchanges right here are the exchanges that it's on. Now, when we look at the socials, as you can see, so we have tweets from the team from 6 hours ago, 14 hours ago, November 20th, November 20th, November 20th. So overall, the team is active on social media. That is a very good checkpoint that you guys have to check to make sure that the team is active on Twitter. Also, make sure to check out their Telegram page and also Discord if they have it whenever investing in a project, because you guys want to make sure that you're not investing into a dead project. All right. So now let's continue. Now, as you can see, this is the BSC scan for Alpaca Finance. So currently, 61,447 addresses. These are wallets that currently have Alpaca Finance. So as you can see, let me show you the hodlers. So some of these people, so you have people with a lot of money. Some of these are exchanges, but others are wallets, whales that have that amount. All right. So as you can see from this chart, it's just been growing, 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 growing. Although price has been gone down, has moved sideways, but guys, keep in mind that back in May, at the peak of the bull run, it was at $4. And right now it's at 77 cents. And it's on Binance and KuCoin, which are like the top. They're that Binance is already the top two exchange. KuCoin, I would say, is in the top five. All right. So definitely, guys, that is very good. All right. So as you can see, a lot of people have shown interest in the amount of wallets that have been growing substantially. All right. So let's continue. Now, this is the website. So as you can see, it talks about leverage yield farming. So this is the website. So over a billion of funds deployed inside, earn up to 176% APY. Community owned, very important. So no rug pull. Security audits. These are the security audits. Overall, very beautiful website. So they have They have a Twitter page, they have a Telegram, a Discord, uh, GitHub, Reddit, YouTube, the Medium that we had an article from. So I'll put a link to the website and you guys can actually check it out and explore it even more. Let's continue. So now I'm sure you're wondering what exactly is APY that we saw on the website. So if you Google the definition of APY, you'll find that APY in crypto means the annual percentage yield. APY is the rate of return on an investment after considering the principal and compound interest. A high APY means that the users gain more with their deposit. Hence, users looking to deposit their crypto should consider the APY when they compare platforms. So as we saw on the website, they give a high amount of APY. Now, if you go to the website, right, and then you click on launch app, it's going to take you to this page right here. So here, as you can see, the available lending pools, we have Alpaca that gives you an APY of 95%, BNB 9.92, BUSD 12.57, USDT 13.74, TUSD 1.73, BTCB of 2.45%, ETH of 2.44%. So I'll also put a link to this so you guys can quickly access it. So these are the available lending pools. So let's continue. Now, this is their YouTube page. I'll also put a link to it. So these videos basically give more details about what exactly Alpaca Finance is, so you guys can do more research about it. All right. The next thing, this is their Reddit page. All right. So the Reddit page has 993 members currently. So we have posts from a day ago, pretty much 3 days ago, 3 days ago, 4 days ago, 4 days ago. So this is the Reddit page. Always make sure to check out the Reddit page for whatever project that you're looking to invest in. Not only because this project is community driven, but the Reddit page, it will allow you to discover things that you didn't know about the project. They will provide you with the latest updates. This is the community. They are the ones that help promote the project. They are the ones that help spread the word. They are the ones that buy the dips. They are the ones that are the hodlers. It's very important whenever you're investing into any altcoin project. Sorry about that. So always make sure to check out its Reddit page. All right. So I'll put a link to it, and you guys can quickly access it. All right. And now, as I mentioned before, Applica Finance is a part of lending and borrowing tokens. All right. So these are some of the top lending tokens that are available based on CoinMarketCap. So I'm sure you guys probably heard about some of them. So you can see Applica right here, ranked right here. So now let me show you something. All right. So Applica has a market cap of 109 million. All right. So the top lending coin right here, AAVE, has a market cap of 3.4 billion. All right. And also keep in mind that the circulating supply for Alpaca is 141 million. So if we're going solely based on circulating supply in terms of trying to think of potential prices, you can see that these projects right here, this one's at $5.10, this one's at $4.20. And keep in mind the all-time high for Alpaca back in May was $4, right? And now, guys, hypothetically speaking, all right, we're gonna do a calculation real quick. So let's say, hypothetically speaking, Alpaca reached a market cap of 3 billion. All right, 3 billion. So you would just take, so it would be basically 27.5x from here. All right. So you multiply this by the current price. that would put Alpaca at a price of $21.35 at a 3 billion market cap. Most likely that would lead to it being a top 100 coin. So guys, anything is possible in crypto. So you always want to make an estimate about what potential price that a project could reach based on their market cap. This will help you with determining your exit plan, your exit strategy. Are you going to sell some before the bear market and buy back in, or whatever your plan is going to be? So, guys, it's not an exact calculation, but guys, basically, it would be 27. The $21.35, we got that by multiplying the 77 cents by 27. So 27.5x from whatever you invest. All right. So guys, this is just a rough estimate of what potential price it could reach. It's not going to be exact. All right. Last but not least, some quick technical analysis. So I'm looking at Alpaca USDT chart on Binance. So basically, the purple lines are levels of support and resistance. And guys, the project has been going down since being launched. It had a pump up, just like a lot of projects do whenever they get listed on big exchanges, especially an exchange like Binance. So it got listed back in August. It pumped up a little bit, spiked up to about $1.69, but since then has been going down. And keep in mind, September was a terrible month for crypto as a whole. Everything was going down, and not just crypto, stocks too. So the project has been going down. There is a level of support previously at around the 73 cents level. We'll see if it breaks it or not. But guys, right here, as you can see the trend line going down, if you connect that uh orange line to this last purple line, you can see it's kind of like a triangle when you look at the overall picture. That is usually a breakout pattern, all right? Expect either a massive breakout to the upside or the downside. Honestly, in my opinion, as long as Bitcoin doesn't crash further, I know it's been going down for the past few days. As long as it doesn't crash further, I really think this project will go back and retest its all-time high, given the fact that we are in the fourth quarter and this is about to be alt season. Guys, keep in mind, alt season is something that goes very quick. It only was practically 2 weeks. If you look at the charts back in 2017, it's only 2 weeks, all right, where things were going parabolic. People were making massive gains. It's not, it's very common you'll see projects make 100% gains in a day. And when alt season comes, everything goes up. You can throw out the charts. Common sense does not apply when alt season. Everything goes parabolic. And plus the fact that this project is on Binance, it's also on Kucoin, and the project itself, what it's about is very strong. It's about collateral loans, yield farming. That is a very good project and something that has a very great potential, very bright future. So I really recommend that you guys look into it, do your own research, make sure to never invest more than you can lose. And guys, with that being said, I am out.